Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about circular motion. What is circular motion? Let us have a look.
Consider an object performing circular motion. When an object is moving along a circular path, then at any given instant of time, its velocity acts tangential to the circle. The direction of velocity changes continuously. As velocity is a vector quantity, therefore change in direction causes change in velocity. As the velocity is changing, hence we can say that there is an acceleration. And according to Newton's second law of motion, if there is an acceleration, then there is a force acting on the body. This force is centripetal force. Centripetal means center seeking. It always acts towards the center of the circle. This force is responsible for circular motion. Now, according to Newton's third law of motion, every action has an equal, opposite, and instantaneous reaction. This gives rise to centrifugal force. Centrifugal force is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. This force arises due to circular motion.
Centripetal force. The force which is responsible for circular motion and which is always directed towards the center of the circle is called as centripetal force. Centripetal means center seeking. The magnitude of centripetal force is given by mv square by r, where m is mass of the object, v is velocity of the object, r is radius of the circle. Centrifugal force. This force arises due to circular motion. It always acts away from the center of the circle. It is equal in magnitude but opposite in direction to that of the centripetal force.
Now, let us have a look at some examples. Consider a ball tied to the string and suppose we are rotating it. Here, the mechanical force provided by our hand acts as a centripetal force. The centrifugal force will act in opposite direction to that of the centripetal force. We have seen that velocity always acts in tangential direction. So, if you release the string, then it will move along the direction of the velocity. Now, let us consider another example. Take a bucket having some water and rotate it. You will see that the water does not fall. Wondering why? Here, the centrifugal force balances the weight of the water, hence, the water does not fall. But if you stop rotating or slow down the speed, then the centrifugal force will not be enough to hold the water, hence, the water will fall down. Another example of circular motion is motion of planets around the sun. The necessary centripetal force is provided by the gravitational force of attraction between the planet and the sun. Same goes for the moon. The gravitational force of attraction between the moon and the earth provides necessary centripetal force. As earth revolves around the sun, centrifugal force acts on the earth. Due to this, the earth bulges at equator and becomes flat at the pole. Another example of circular motion is motion of electron around the nucleus. Here, the necessary centripetal force is provided by the electrostatic force of attraction between the nucleus and the electron. When a vehicle takes a turn on a curved road, it performs circular motion. The frictional force between the tire and the road surface provides the necessary centripetal force. If vehicle turns towards left, then outward acting centrifugal force pushes you towards the right. Let us consider the example of roller coaster. In case of a roller coaster, while performing loop the loop, the centrifugal force balances the weight of the person. Hence, the person does not fall. The centrifugal force acting is directly proportional to the speed. If the speed is not enough, then the centrifugal force will not be sufficient to balance the weight of the person.
Uniform circular motion. Motion of a particle along the circumference of the circle with constant speed is called as uniform circular motion. Let us have a look at some examples.
Some examples of uniform circular motion are motion of planet around the sun, motion of moon around the earth, motion of electron around the nucleus, motion of tip of hands of the clock.
Hi friends, if you liked our video then please like, subscribe to our channel and share. And stay tuned for more videos.